Are you looking forward to use VLC Player on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started with the video. First of all, make sure that you have already installed the application VLC on a device. Once installed, simply open it. Here you'll be given some instructions too. Right now you can see the media library is empty. In order for you to use it, all you gotta do is go back and head over to your gallery or photos. From the gallery, choose the video that you want to use it and play it on VLC Player. Once you have selected the videos, click on the share icon at the bottom left corner. Slide down and click on Save to Files. In the search bar, you need to search VLC and then click on it. Tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. Well, the video has been saved into VLC Player. In order to check it out, go back and head over to your application VLC Player. And there you go, 2 of the video that you have selected has been uploaded on VLC Player. Now you can easily watch this video without any interruptions, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.